Karen Feeney here at Dublin SEO Company, where we get websites ranking at the top of Google. These include eTravel, Dublin Diamond Factory, Little Collins CBD, Two Men Two Vans, JK Hair Replacement, WordPerfect Translations and In-Gear Driving School. The list goes on and on. The reason for our success is that we have an SEO strategy that works to a T every time. The benefits of ranking for a small site could be huge. For example, the keywords painters Dublin and all its variations have thousands of searches each month. So for a painting company in Dublin to rank for that, it could be thousands of more potential leads each month. We specialise in SEO, which is a method of ranking your website on the first page of Google for key search terms, so people can find you online when they're looking for services you offer. To schedule a free consultation, visit dublinseocompany.com, fill out the form and we'll be in touch. Alternatively, send us a Facebook message and we'll schedule a call with you to discuss options. We will also be auditing your current website for free. And remember, in order to be the best, you have to hire the best. Take care.